Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashmi and you're watching My Glam USA. So guys, a lot of people have a problem of dark circles and under eye puffiness. Lately, a lot of my friends and family and my subscribers have been asking me to show them some remedies which are effective for the dark circles, which are really hard to get rid of. And a lot of people have a puffiness problem under their eyes. So today I'm going to be showing you some remedies which are very easy. Mostly they are home remedies which I'll be showing you. They are very effective, but the thing is that you have to be consistent. You have to do it every day and you will start seeing results in 7 to 10 days. Let me just tell you one thing, that if you have dark circles heredity, which means that it's in your family, it's in your genes, then it's very hard to get rid of them. You may be able to lighten them to some extent, but to completely get rid of them is not going to be possible. So don't beat yourself up over it. But if you have dark circles because of other reasons, then you need to get enough sleep, get at least 7 hours of sleep, drink a lot of water, try to de-stress and try to stay happy and calm, try to meditate and do other things. That way you can keep your body and mind relaxed. Try not to be in front of the computer screen for very long. Try not to watch too much on your phone because that also stresses your eyes out and it causes those dark circles. So without further ado, I'll begin with the video, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button under this video. So the very first remedy would be the ice cubes that I showed you guys how to make these ice cubes. I'm gonna link the video underneath in the description box below. These are the ice cubes that were made out of tomato, potato, cucumber and lemon juice. I have shown the complete recipe of how to make these and store them. So these are from my freezer and I'm showing you them first because I don't want these ice cubes to melt. So basically what you would do is take one ice cube and rub this underneath your eyes every single day and leave it on for 10 minutes. After rubbing it under, you can actually do this all over your face because it's going to help you enhance your skin and your complexion overall. But this will also really help you with your under eye circles because the ice cubes contain tomato, which is skin brightening. It has bleaching and skin brightening properties. It has potato, which has a very, very good skin brightening and bleaching properties. It has lemon juice, which is again a skin brightener, and it has cucumbers in it. And that also helps with the puffiness and it actually helps to relax your eyes and your muscles under the eyes. So this would be my first and my best very good remedy. So do check out the video of this remedy in the description box below. So the second remedy is also very effective and that is with yogurt. So I have 1 teaspoon of yogurt here in this bowl. Actually you don't even need a whole teaspoon. You need less than 1 teaspoon of yogurt. And the next thing we have here is wild turmeric. Is also called amba haldi or kasturi haldi. Okay, so this is not the regular turmeric from your kitchen, the one you use to cook. This is not that. This is amba haldi, wild turmeric. I will leave a link of where you can buy this online. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So we need these 2 things. Okay, so we in 1 teaspoon of yogurt, I'm adding about half teaspoon of this turmeric. And mind you that this turmeric, the wild turmeric, will not stain your skin. The regular turmeric that we use to cook, that stains your skin. So this one is not going to stain your skin. So we will mix it up a little bit. So the next thing that we'll add to this is vitamin E. We need some vitamin E in this paste because vitamin E has very good anti-aging benefits. It will help you reduce the fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes and it will also help with the dark circles. So I'm going to be using argan oil. This is from My Glam USA, but you can use any kind of argan oil. If you don't have argan oil, you can use almond oil or you can use the vitamin E capsules that you can buy from the store, or you can just use the vitamin E oil that comes in a bottle. So any form of vitamin E that you can get, just use that. But I'm going to be using the argan oil because argan oil is packed with vitamin E. So I'll just add maybe just 3 to 4 drops of argan oil into this mixture and then we'll just mix it. So our mixture is ready. Simply we will take it and just put it under the eyes. We will just put a thick layer under the eyes. If you have darkness on your eyelids as well, you can do that. You can put it over there as well. This mask would be great for overall for the whole face as well. So you can put it on your full face if you like, but you should put this paste every single day on your under eyes dark circles, and then make sure it's a thick paste. Make sure you add that vitamin E in there, the oil, to enhance the benefits of this mask, because it will give you a double benefit of anti-aging and brightening. And as we all know that yogurt has lactic acid in it, so that helps brighten the skin, and turmeric also has skin brightening properties. So you just apply this paste like this, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then just wash it off with regular water. You can do this every single day. You can do it, if you have the time, you can do it twice a day, morning and night, no problem. It's all natural. So another product that will really help you with your dark circles, with the lightening and brightening of your skin under your eyes, is vitamin C serum. This one is the Glow Secret Vitamin C Serum from My Glam USA. You can use any vitamin C serum that you easily have access to. This one you can find it on my website, but vitamin C serum, just try to do a patch test first. Make sure that it doesn't irritate your under eye area, because sometimes vitamin C serum can irritate your skin. Make sure that it doesn't do that. Like, don't go very close to the eye, just kind of go around the eye and see if you don't feel any irritation, then kind of just go closer to the actual eye. So vitamin C serum will also greatly help you in reducing your dark circles and brightening that under eye area. So the next one is with the potato. Now I've already washed and peeled the potato, and I've cut it into half. What we are going to do is simply just take a peeler and remove a very thin slice of the potato. Okay, and it actually came out in a nice shape. So all you're gonna do is very simply just take the potato and put it around your eye like this. I might have to like chop off these pieces up here. We are taking very thin slices, that way it will stick. If you take thicker slices, it will not stick to your under eye. So all you will do is just take the potato and stick it to your under eye like this, and then just leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or until you feel like it's dry, and then just remove it. This really works, guys. It has very good skin. Potato has very good skin bleaching properties, so it really works for the under eye circles. So do try it, and it's so easy and simple, and you can do this every single day, even just while cooking in the kitchen. You can just put this on and just leave it there, and this will greatly help you with your under eye circles. So my last and final remedy, which is also super effective, but it is a little messy, that's why I kept it for the last. This would be with the egg white. We need just like maybe half a teaspoon of the egg white. So I'm quickly gonna crack this egg and get the egg white out. So I have about 1 tablespoon of egg white here. I was not able to take less. It just kind of kept coming and coming. So I just have like 1 tablespoon of egg white. And to this, we will add half a teaspoon of coffee. Yes, coffee is very, very effective in helping brightening your skin. It has very good properties, and it will really help you depuff those eyes. It will remove the puffiness, and it will also help in brightening your skin under the eyes. So it has really good properties. So I'm just mixing the coffee and the egg, and we'll make it into a nice smooth mixture. So the coffee and egg mixture is now ready. It took me a couple of minutes to mix it in properly and make it into a really smooth, proper, like mixture. So that's ready. Next thing we need is 1 cotton pad like this. And what we're gonna do is we are going to cut it into half. And then we will dip this cotton pad in this egg and coffee mixture. And then we will put it under the eye like this. Now this is going to be runny and messy, so just bear with that. So this is what it's gonna look like once you've put it on, and it will run a little bit. So you just keep a tissue with you and you keep wiping underneath. After a couple of minutes, it will stop running, because then the egg will kind of start to dry out and it will stop running. Coffee has really good brightening properties, so it will kind of brighten and lighten your under eye area, and the egg will actually tighten the skin under your eyes. Also, it will give you a brightening effect. So just leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes until you feel like it's a little dry, and then you can just remove it and wash your face. So guys, I did leave the egg and coffee pads under my eyes. I left it on for 15 minutes. I just washed it off and I can actually feel the difference. I can feel the puffiness has kind of gone down and my under eye area is very smooth and soft. Make sure never to scrub under your eyes. I'm just gonna quickly apply some vitamin C serum because it really suits my skin. So I'm just gonna apply some under the eyes very gently. And so guys, if there is any other remedies that you use and something that works for you, please do share that in the comments down below. That way other viewers will also take advantage of that. And if you try any of these remedies that I showed you today and anything that worked for you, please do share it in the comments down below with me. I would love to know what worked for you. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you all again. Bye-bye.